Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at BTCUSDT. Come on, what pair is this? I don't like to trade this pair, but regardless, we're gonna look at it. We're gonna look at it because people are trading it, and I know BTC traders are gonna be interested in this video. So I just say hell yeah, let's get through it. All right, so what do I have on the chart here? I have sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity, and this gradient line. Now what did I grade here? If you're already seeing, great. Here I graded this OB, 3 consecutive down close candles, OBs, not the last bearish candle. 3 consecutive down candles here is classified as OB. So the midpoint is this 50%. I apologize, you guys are not seeing well, and I get it. Let me stretch it forward so you can see it. So this is the 50%. It's kind of gray, but if you can see it, great. So you can see price is rejecting from there, and these greenbacks, just you know how I do it. I don't want price to leave a body below this to tell me that market is turning from here. Do you understand? That is why I have this wick drawn. Hope you're getting me. So all right, we have swing low formed. Swing low, what is swing low? We have this left candle. This one is, oh shit, this getting a screenshot. Let me just delete this. And this black candle is lower than this, and we have one to the left, one to the right. This is our swing point. So price just made a swing point from the important level which we annotated, and now check, guys, check this. Oh my god, this is beautiful. You're going to love this. Price is selling strongly. Now we just ghosted this, we just smoked this low, and price decided to create a swing point and start buying from here. We created a change in state of delivery. That's another block. Yeah, so market rallied up, and we're back at the other block, and price is rejecting higher. Now think, where is the closest drawn liquidity? You guys are going to say here, but for the easiest one, I'll pick this line here. Yeah, let's just do it like this. Was this a fair value gap, right? So now price has rejected from here, created a swing point. This is our next drawn liquidity. This is where we like price to pull into. Once you start looking at market like this, and you're not greedy, you don't want to cash this big movement. You just want to be in there, be smart. You know what I'm talking about? And after this is the next drawn liquidity. All right, this is BTC live analysis, guys. Pay attention, because you guys are gonna be flabbergasted. It might not work out, and who cares? But for me, this is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for price on BTCUSDT or BTCUSD whichever one, to start creating highs into this fair value gap and into the highs. Now it might reject from here and start selling, but this is the easiest one. This is the easiest one. Now, how do you enter? How do you get in? This pink box is, I think I drew that from a weekly time frame or so. Just forget about this for now, and just focus on this. And we have this sell side too. Just forget about those. Just take a look at what we have here currently, right? Yeah. So above this, we have this gap, liquidity pockets. So price is likely going to fill it up, and it doesn't need to fill it up. We're just anticipating that since we grabbed this low here, we smoked it. Now the next draw on liquidity may be all these pockets of liquidity here. Isn't that logical? Doesn't it make sense? Doesn't it make sense to you? So how do we get in? How do we get in? That's the big question. How do we get in? Now go to your lower time frame. The first time frame I moved to is either the 1 hour time frame or the 15-minute time frame. So we go 15, and things are getting a lot more cleaner here, I would say. So this is the 50%. Price just reacted from there, and we start rallying up. Now, what do we do here? Now you have to pay attention to the price. Now this is where it gets interesting. You're gonna love this. Look at price. What do you see here? Double bottom. Okay, interesting. What do you see here? Support. Let me draw this out. Support, right? Okay, this is support. Price was buying here, up into the highs. What's this? This is support. Buying into the highs. This potential support, huh? Isn't it? But this is not how we trade. We're going to wait for all these lows to be taken out before we enter. Now your question is, which low will I wait for before I can enter? Look at this dealing range. This, to me, this run up, the run up started from here, and we are currently here. This is the dealing range. This is all messy now. I apologize. I don't know how I can change these to. Let me just remove the lines and just leave this alone. Change the color. Bear with me here. This is not easy. I need to change the color. Believe me guys, all these are just for your learning. I don't have this on my chart. I don't have this on my chart. Now you can see better. We can remove this one. We can remove this one right here. So now below here we have our discounts. This is premium. What low do you see here? This one. So I'm going to remove this. I'm just showing you how retail traders think. how they engage in the market. This is what they use. Support. Oh, I'm buying. Oh, now they're waiting for price to come here and still buy, but it may bounce off and start going up from here. But no way, that's not how we trade. We want price to take it out, to fake them out, to get them smoked. Then we start looking for entries. So we have one here. Take this off. Another one here. So these are the closest lows that will want price to be to take them out. Then we can engage. You see that? You see the logic, right? So this can be taken out, and we'll look for our entry pattern. It's basically the ICT22 model where price goes below a low, created a fair value gap, then we enter. Break of structure, then fair value gap, we enter. That is the model we are going to be looking for if price gets below this. And we're gonna wait for timing. You see what I just said? You can't just go in and start looking for entries at the wrong time, because you need movement, right? Like right now the market is dead. Today is Sunday. I'm just making this video showing you my outlook, right? So right now the market is dead. It's not moving. It's not dead, but it's not moving. So we need time to align, we need liquidity to align, and boom, straight in we go. Do you understand what I'm trying to communicate here? So these lows are the closest one we can smoke and start buying up. I hope you get what I'm trying to teach you. And that's it. That's it. You already know that on the daily time frame, price should be going up now. It has given you a clue that, okay, price is about to go up. It doesn't want to go down anymore. We saw a swing low form from the other block. Now it's going to attack the next liquidity. So you just wait for lows to be taken out before you enter. That's so simple. So simple, right? Isn't it simple? Isn't it beautiful? It's so beautiful. It's freaking beautiful. So I think you guys find some nuggets from this video, because I get it. If you're starting out, you might not understand what I'm trying to communicate here, but if you have a little bit of experience trading ICT, trading with ICT concepts, you might know what I'm talking about here. And that shouldn't get you disappointed if you're just starting out. I advise you to just stick around, and you get what I'm trying to teach you. Just stick around. You get it. So I think that will be for today's video, and love you guys. Peace. I'll see you in the next one.